Subscribe to BZB TV to get your free GoPro Hero. Bang.
Maybe the night that my tears might let me know all the stars are blue, sure. All the stars are blue, sure. All the stars are blue. Maybe the night that my tears might let me know all the stars are blue.
Good day, folks. Joel here from BZB TV, live at InfoComm 2018 Las Vegas. Thank you for joining us. This is day 2. Now remember, this is another video that you guys can enter yourselves into our GoPro Hero giveaway. Simply leave a comment down below. Remember to subscribe to BZB TV if you have not. All right, so today we got a lot more cool people to meet, a lot more cool tech to see. Hang on tight, put on your seatbelts. Let's get ready for this ride.
Subscribe to BZB TV to get a GoPro Hero. Let's go. Got a chance to win. GoPro. BZB TV. Don't be dumb. Subscribe now.
Alright guys, it's my turn to pop the clutch. I'm about to get my Dom Toretto on. I don't think I'm gonna make it on the sequel.
Don't forget to like BZB TV because these guys are doing a great job. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this. InfoComm is really a fantastic event. The InfoComm as an organization treats education really well, places a high priority on ensuring that in order for their members to maintain status within the organization, they keep up with the latest technologies, truly being a certified technology specialist of current technologies. Furthermore, the trade show itself, InfoComm, is a fantastic opportunity for our brand to reach out to a new audience and to make great relationships with professional integrators, which of course is exactly what we're here to do, and we love InfoComm.
Hi guys, we're in BZB TV. Make sure to subscribe so you can win a GoPro camera.
Wow, day 2 is finally over. I am so tired. My feet are killing me. I could really use a foot massage. So I might have to go and do that after we leave. But for all you that have stayed tuned, thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. If you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe because you will be entered for a GoPro Hero giveaway. We're giving away 3 GoPro Heroes, and we can't wait to find out who the winners are next week. So make sure you subscribe and also comment because this is one of the videos where you can get an additional entry for that GoPro Hero camera. Also, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Show us your support. Again, we appreciate all of you. Stay tuned for tomorrow, day 3. We're going to be back. My name is Florence. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on day 3.
We need a camera like that.